How to create a test report with apps. Tap on Applications. Tap on Bellavista Quick Verification and follow the instructions. Start the Bellavista ventilator with default settings. Check the alarm systems. Fill in all the test object fields. Sign the report. Review the results in the generated PDF report. Go back to the application screen. Tap on Reports. Tap the Bellavista folder to see saved reports. Tap the Reports menu and select the reports to export. Export the selected reports to a USB stick. Delete reports. It is the same, only choosing the Delete option.